Hey guys, it is Monday night. I have a theory of how I think the possum's getting inside. Right there. And I sealed it up. So I think we're good. Welcome to the vlog, Julian. You made it in.
Yay!
Hello everyone, it is Wednesday. Jesse just got back in town. We are going to work on our two new bikes that if you're following my Instagram, you would know that about them. If you don't, I will show you them. We got a BMW R650 1981. Then we also got a DT 200 1972, turning both into cafe racer style bikes. So tune in and we'll show you. We'll be working on that today. There, the BMW R65. It is a gorgeous bike. Super excited about this one. Hello vlog. Callan and Toby came into town this weekend. I've been hanging out, going out to the farm. Jen's here too. She's hiding.
On the floor over there.
Oh shoot.
Faster, bro. You gotta walk around like crouch down so that you can just. I don't want to touch it, dude.
They're not T-Rex.
Jeff.
The noise. It's not. It's okay, kitty. How you away? He was biting the piglet's ears. The pig was just walking by him and comes over and just snatches on his ear.
Oh wow.
Duncan's the worst. Dude. Less than 2 miles. I'm back. It's Monday. Revamping. Let's go hard. I had trouble sleeping last night because my AC is out, so I had to open the windows and turn the exhaust fan on. The thing that sucks about that is at night you could hear everything, like trains driving by, cars, everything, so it's much louder. And then a little bit of fear of there being a possum as well, because there's so much noise. I couldn't tell if it was a possum or just some other noise. So not a great night of sleep last night, and we're back. We're back. Woo! What's up, Callanites? It's your boy. Welcome to Spicy with Icy. Are you a filmographer?